If your e-bike is making wind chime sounds like this, that means your spokes have come loose. So you have one or more loose spokes. On this bird bike, it's kind of terrifying, but I have a bunch of loose spokes. And the way that I found out about them was just listening to the wheel go clinkety, clinkety, plinkety, making those wind chime sounds as I was riding. So if you have that sound, you want to make sure you check all your spokes. You don't just check one, but you check all of them to find out which ones are loose. And then get yourself a spoke wrench and tighten them up, and you can be on your way. Here's a close-up look at a spoke knot on a bike. So basically, this end part is inside of the rim, and you turn it this way to make it tighter, turn it this way to make it looser. So you just want to turn it this way to tighten it up. And you can see it's square, so it's a square edge, and a spoke tool is going to have a square hole in it. So if you want to use a specific spoke tool, the nice thing is the spoke tool has clearance to get around the other spokes, and it's real easy to use. Some of the bike multi-tools will have something like this that pops out that then also interlocks with that square. Or you can use a crescent wrench. I've done it with a crescent wrench where you just do it a little bit at a time, because you honestly shouldn't have to do this too often on your bike. Some bikes you've never have to do it, but if yours has worked loose, it's good to check them all, tighten them all down, and then see if the wheel's still round. You'll definitely want to make sure the wheel spins straight after you've done it, because changing the tension on the spokes can make it bend one way or the other and make your wheel crooked. So you might need to have your wheel trued after you do this.